Hello everyone, welcome to Practical Learn. In this video, we'll be discussing about printers. So printers are of two types, 2D printer, 3D printer. Before, to write or draw something, we were using our hands and it was time consuming. But now we can simply use a printer to scan, copy and print our documents. The same way, we can use 3D printers to print our custom toys, etc. Let me explain this with an analogy. On top left, on top right, you can see a person pouring metal into the mold, replaced by, and now same thing is done by a 3D printer. I hope now you know very well when 2D printer and 3D printer is used. If you like this video, do subscribe and share. Thank you.